Hey, what's up, you guys? So, I want to hop on here really quickly and show you how you can use Canva along with your Shopify and Printify account to become a walking brand name for yourself. Instead of promoting Nike and who is it, Jordans and all of these other brands, we're going to promote ourselves today. We're going to promote our own brands today. So, what I've come up with Shopify, I decided to come on over here and pull up one of these tapestries. The reason why I chose the tapestry because I'm thinking about someone that may want to do photos and they may want to use their logo in the backdrop on a particular tapestry because we see these tapestries all the time. My daughter actually bought me one for my birthday one year. I love it. So let's get into it right quick. So this is what we have: indoor wall tapestry. And what I've done is I've already pulled up my particular logo. Like I said, we're going to be walking brands. We're going to be promoting our own brands on this one. So this is my logo for a snack of all trades. And I also listed, excuse me, of course, my website down here at the bottom. If we're going to be using it as a backdrop, when you promote the pictures, you will want to include your website on your particular tapestry, of course. So after we've pulled this up, we're going to come down here to start designing. And if you don't have a Shopify and Printify, all that already set up, that's okay. Comment below. I will do a video showing you guys how to do that if you're wanting to know why how actually. So you're going to click on upload and it's going to populate a couple of options here for you. The option that we're going to be using today is the one that says my device. And I already have this one, of course, pulled up and I'm going to open it and bam, it drops it right here on the tapestry for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to get it and you're going to grab it and just drag it on out. At least that's what I do anyway. I wonder, is it a way that you can just make it there you go. See there? I knew it was a simpler way. So yeah, we just click that button right there and just make it a little bit, make it much bigger. So this is how it's gonna look. But in order for us to know how it really looks, we can click on preview. And preview will give us an idea of what this is going to look like if we were to actually have it. So what I'm going to do is click on download so we can actually get a good look at it. And this is how it actually looks if we were to purchase this particular tapestry. Isn't that pretty? But for some reason I noticed it cut off my website. I'm gonna have to check on that. So let me double check it because I think I made that a little bit too big. So let's go back to edit. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna reduce that size because that's what we can do. We can always adjust it. And I'm gonna bring this in to here. And then for the background, I'm going to make it black because I know since I brought it in, it's going to have that white outline around it, and we do not want that. And as you can see, as I'm adjusting this, it puts those red lines there to let you know if it's straight or not. So we're going to go with about right there. So we're going to do it again and preview it. And there we go. Now we actually have the website back on here. So we're going to do download. Click on it so I can see it. Well, that's that's not the one. Okay, there it is. Okay, so let's make that a little bit bigger. Now, this is what the backdrop would look like if you were to use your logo. Well, this is mine, but you know what I'm saying, your logo, and add your website, and then your people can stand in front of you or whatever, and then take your photos for your photo shoot. Okay, so that's one example, right? So now I'm just going to save that for now. What we're also going to do, we're going to come back over here to the catalog and we're going to do, say, for instance, because I've already done like the phone case. Say, for instance, you got your tumbler. Everybody's doing the Stanley cups. Okay, so we're going to do us a cup. We're going to start designing us a cup. We want to add our logo to our cup, right? Like when I'm drinking, people gonna be like, what's your cup say?" People always like wondering, what is that on your cup? What does it say? Like, oh my God, that's so pretty. So when they looking at your cup now, when you're drinking from your brand. So I need to figure out about this outer layer. So let's see something first because I see how it looks, but it looks like it's only going to put it on one side. I wonder if I'm going to like that because I haven't done this one yet, you guys. So let's see what it looks like. Hmm. It's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. It's giving. It's giving. I can't lie. I think I like it. Actually, let me download it so we can take a better look at it. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Nice. With the website on the cup, on the tumbler. So forget Stanley. We branding ourselves. This is a snack of our trades cup at this time. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna save that particular idea. The possibilities are endless that you can use when you come over here to the catalog. Let's do let's do some socks. You know what I'm saying? Like you can literally do anything. So today it says sublimation socks. Bam. Of course, we're going to upload our logo. Boom, bam. Drop it there. I don't know how this one is going to look though, y'all, because it's so skinny. But let's see. How that look. Nope, that's definitely not what we're looking for. What does that do? What does that do? Because I'm actually learning. Oh, I think that flipped it around or something. Because I'm actually learning the sock one as we go because I haven't done this one before either. But I don't know if I like that because it say apply all areas. Apply to all areas. Layer added to all print areas. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what we come up with. Oh heck no. I don't think I like those. I don't think I like those. God. Let's see. Let's download it, y'all. I don't know. I ain't really vibing with it. But yeah, that's an idea. I will have to probably figure out how to size the actual socks themselves in order to do the socks. I wouldn't really recommend doing those right now, at this particular time. But let's try to do one more. Say best sellers. And of course, everybody knows how to add a design to the shirts. And if you don't know, it's really easy. Same process. You come here, you start your design, you go to upload, you grab it off your device, you drop it onto the shirt. And I'm going to change this shirt to a black one. Select color variants. I'm going to just do black. I'm going to take the white off and update it. Okay, so we're going to drag this out a little bigger. Let's see. Made it a little bit bigger. Okay, so let's preview it, y'all, really quickly. And they actually give you some people that are wearing the outfits. So you can see what it looks like on an actual person. We're gonna download this mock-up real quick. And let's see what the girl looking like. Okay, looking like a snack. Yeah. Okay then. So yeah, that is another way you can brand yourself. Always brand yourself. Become a walking brand. And lastly, speaking of brands and things like that, before the video gets entirely out of hand, I do want to let you guys know that if you're still interested in doing, or if you are interested in doing digital products, don't wait. I have 7 ebooks currently, and if I can slide this up, one, two, three, four, five, six. And I know that's on here twice. I don't know why I got to add the seventh one on here. I think I did something wrong. But you guys, this is Beacons. This is where you can come and add and scale your business with a Beacons account. If you're interested in doing that, also let me know. But the pink print just dropped. It is a step-by-step guide on how you can set up your account with Canva and Etsy and sell digital products. So if you want to know more, let me know. This is your girl, a snack of all trades. Thank you for stopping by to my video today. And you guys have a great day. Okay.